Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It is Monday, December 22nd, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. All right, folks. So on this Monday, again, here's the 9:30 open right here. What I mentioned at the 9:30 open is we were at the value area high. Okay, and here was the point of control. So I said, from a pure probability standpoint, we'll probably get a retracement. It basically wicked up and then obviously came down to the point of control. The gap was also down here, and so we had a couple magnets here and here that we may be pushing lower before in theory going higher, right? So that played out statistically like it should have, again, which is no surprise to us here in the WealthCharts live training room. But then how did we look to trade that? So then once we got the retracement back and then the rollback over around 10 o'clock, what you can see here, if I go to the 1-minute chart on the NQ here, okay, so again, just kind of time of reference, here's 9:30, right? We had the fake out and then the move back down. And then this is where I look to take the short opportunity right here, grab 30 ticks on the NQ and got out. We also had a second opportunity, which I called out but did not take just because I had told you, based on this being the holiday week, that I wasn't looking to, I hit 30 ticks and I was done for the day. Okay, there was no surprise there. But others took this and basically did a nice second trade there. But regardless, right, the setups are identical. We look for, right? What we look for is that retracement back and then go back in the direction of the trend here and here. Okay. That's what we look for. We had a TRP cross Laguerre in both occasions here. And so that was the setup, okay? As we've been really showing you here throughout the year in WealthCharts live training room, we can be as patient as we want. Look for those really, really solid setups. All right, folks. So again, as I mentioned, I'll be out the next 2.5 weeks, folks. Tomorrow's my last day in the live training room. I'll be in at 8 a.m. Eastern tomorrow, folks. So hope to see you all there. If not, happy holidays. It's been a great year. I can't wait for 2026 as well. But best of luck. Happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Take care now.